In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to access autofill form information on the Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top, and then select where it says Autofill Form. You can also select the up arrow key, Command key, and the letter A key on your keyboard as well. And you should be able to pull up any autofill information that has been saved, and it should import it directly into the field, assuming you had any. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.